We're going to use a T25 Torx bit to remove this screw and this screw on the driver's side upper grille panel. Once we remove those, we're going to repeat for the other side. Using our T25 Torx bits, you're going to want to go ahead and remove a series of these Torx bit screws on the inside of the fender well liner. There should be 5 of them. Ours is missing just a couple of them here, and then there's a 5th one up facing upward. So let's start at the bottom and get these removed. Repeat for the other side. Underneath the bumper, we're going to go ahead and remove a series of these T25 screws. There should be one here. We're missing one there. We'll get that one beside it. Move right across the front. I'm going to go ahead and grab the bumper, pull it away from the fender. As we do that, I'm going to work our way around towards the middle. Do the same for the driver's side. Go ahead and pull the whole bumper with the grill straight forward. Let's go ahead and grab the bumper. There's a point where it can at least go ahead and hang the bumper. Line this up and get our screws hand started here. Once we get these 4 screws hand started, we're going to go ahead and clip the bumper onto the fenders. Line up the bumper with the tabs on the fender. Go ahead and get that popped in. Repeat for the driver's side. Now let's secure the 4 screws on the top of the grill. Alright, gonna go ahead and put our screw up in from our bumper into the fender. Install our upper liner screw. We'll go ahead and finish up with the rest of our screws. Once we're done here, we'll go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. We're going to install our screws across the bottom of the bumper. All right, and once you do these here, go ahead and repeat for the rest.